Hello everyone, welcome to Tools Hub, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're exploring tools and inventions that prove human creativity has no limits. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. This powerful machine processes wooden bars with magical precision, transforming them into perfect products. Every worker's dream come true. This mechanism takes heavy work and turns it into simple. Trust me, if you watch until the end, you will be amazed at what this machine just created. You don't need an expensive bar to get perfect ice. This compact machine does it like a pro at home. Compact design, surprisingly efficient. This charging dock is a true savior for the modern desk. This machine is the perfect combination of speed, precision, and safety, while saving wood materials and improving the quality of finished products. This device makes carrying heavy bricks a breeze. Your back will thank you. This device smooths and illuminates the ceiling at the same time, allowing you to see every little detail. An ideal tool for preparing the perfect painting surface. This smart scaffolding innovation is amazing, allowing users to flexibly change heights without much effort. No need to go to the store. This device refreshes clothes with steam right at home. Convenient, clean, without leaving the sofa. No more eggshell crumbs in your dishes. This clever gadget cleans eggs before you even heat the pan. With just one set of tools, you can handle steel, remove rust, and weld beautifully like a professional without any training. A sparkling home with just one wipe. This cleaning device is the all-in-one solution for sparkling glass. This machine is not just a production tool, but an artist of the industrial chain. Every detail is processed smoothly, giving the feeling that you are witnessing a real technological performance. It takes just a few seconds to understand why this machine is so impressive, with its perfect combination of power and precision. You don't have to be Spider-Man to hang safely from high places with this device. Attach it and you instantly transform into a worker version of Spider-Man, confidently handling any task at height. This pipe clamp works exactly like a professional welder holding the material in place. Every operation is secure, safe, and increases in durability over time. Chopping wood with a knife or saw? It's both laborious and time-consuming, while this tool does it all in a flash. The technology of installing heated floors not only saves time, but also brings high aesthetics. The smart base layer ensures that every detail is held firmly without the need for fixing bolts. You might think that cutting vegetables couldn't be faster, but this device proves otherwise. It makes prep easy, precise, and incredibly time-saving. It's impossible to take your eyes off the flawless motion of this 5-axis CNC machine. It's like a mechanical symphony. This kind of technology is not only useful, but it's also as addictive as watching a soap opera. The more you watch it, the more you want to know how it works. No more bending and twisting to pull a plug. With the angled adapt, you can reach out of reach in a snap. With the ability to operate on 8 axes simultaneously, this machine is more than just a tool. It is the future of modern manufacturing. If you love to explore, but don't want to leave behind the comforts of home, a car roof tent is the perfect choice. It turns any place into a perfect camping spot, from the mountains to the ocean. Thanks to this special fixture, drilling inclined holes through wooden beams is now simple and easy. No more struggling. Laser rust removal is truly a miracle of modern technology. Who would have thought that a single beam of light could clean a surface so well? Want to know how your plants are doing? This smart device tells you everything you need to know. No stress, just simple information. Ever thought moving by yourself was impossible? Not anymore. This device will change the way you look at things. This method is safer and more economical by taking advantage of the high friction of the chainsaw, allowing efficient work in many positions. This unique handle keeps your hands safe while cooking. Forget about burns or slipping, cook with ease. No more uneven wood surfaces. This clever machine helps you create silky, smooth surfaces with minimal effort. Just a light stroke and you get professional results. Imagine you have 5 seconds to throw an object at this crushing monster. What would you choose? Feel free to share your craziest ideas. Even without a beach vacation, your feet can still enjoy a spa-like relaxation with this great little gadget. One important difference of rivet welding compared to other fixing methods is that it does not damage the surface that needs to be kept intact. Cleaning up after woodworking is no longer a nightmare. This tool makes dust and grit disappear in seconds. What once required strength and precision is now done with a click of the finger. This conveyor belt really impressed me, showing how smart working can completely change the way we work. Painting ceiling trim used to be synonymous with dirt, drips, and frustration. Now, with this handy tool, it's quick, clean, and smooth. With the right tools, smoothing mortar will no longer be a chore but a pleasure. It's a combination of comfort and efficiency. When this wonderful machine starts working, it is a sign that a bumper onion harvest is coming to the farmers. No need to say more. This little tool is made to handle edges like a pro. No matter the material, perfect every time. This cool trick makes upgrading your gear so easy and fun. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. I can confidently say that this is probably the most perfect slice of meat you've ever seen. Just one more step, and we'll taste perfection. Just looking at it is a pleasure. The craftsmanship is evident, and the result is a delight to the eye. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.